Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve a few practice sums on the topic understanding quadrilaterals. The first sum. In a quadrilateral ABCD, diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O. AB is equal to CD, OA is equal to OC, and angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. Prove that ABCD is a rhombus. So let's draw ABCD. The givens are AB is equal to CD, OA is equal to OC, and angle AOB is 90 degree. So let's draw them. You see here that angle COD is equal to 90 degree because it is vertically opposite to angle AOB. So AB is equal to CD because that's given. It is also given. Now if we see here, this is a right angle, this is hypotenuse, and this is side. In this triangle, this is right angle, this is hypotenuse and a side. So triangle AOB is congruent with triangle COD using RHS congruency. Corresponding parts of congruent triangle, we get OB is equal to OD. So let's draw it here. And that shows us that both the diagonals are bisected and they're bisected at 90 degrees. So using the property of rhombus, which states that the diagonals in rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree, and we can see that BD is perpendicular to AC. This shows us that it is a rhombus. Let's do the next one. Prove that the figure obtained by joining the adjacent midpoints of a rhombus is a rectangle. So let's first draw rhombus. So let PQRS be the midpoints. We need to prove that quadrilateral PQRS is a rectangle. What we know here is this is equal to this, equal to this, equal to this, and they are all equal size because in rhombus the sides are equal and these are midpoints, so they are half of the side, and hence all these small parts are equal. Now let's talk about it. The opposite angles of a rhombus. So now we know that triangle SAP is congruent with triangle QCR. And using the corresponding parts of congruent triangle, PS is equal to RQ. And hence we have found out that now these are equal. Similarly, we can prove that these two triangles SDR and QBP are congruent. Side angle side congruency. Here also we used SAS congruency. Therefore, now if I draw SQ and if I draw PR, SQ is equal to DC because these two are parallel lines. CD and PB, AB and CD are parallel, and S and Q are the midpoints of AD and BC. So which clearly indicates that SQ is also parallel. Therefore, but in rhombus, because they are sides of rhombus, and therefore SQ is equal to PR. And SQ and PR, they are diagonals of PQRS, and the diagonals are equal. So what we have proved till now is, we have proved that so these are opposite sides of PQRS and they are equal, as well as we have proved that even they are equal. So whenever we have opposite sides of a quadrilateral equal, we know it's a parallelogram. And when we have diagonals of a parallelogram equal, it is a rectangle. Therefore, let's do the next one. In a parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD such that DP is equal to BQ. Show that APCQ is a parallelogram. So given is, so this is what is given, and what we have to prove is APCQ is a parallelogram. So let's talk about triangle APB and CQD. AB is equal to CD, opposite sides of a parallelogram. BP is equal to DQ, it's given. And because they are alternate interior angles, AB is parallel to CD and BD is a transversal. And in that case, this angle is going to be equal to this angle because they are alternate interior angles. And therefore, triangle APB is congruent with triangle CQD using side, angle, side. So AP is equal to CQ, CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. In the same way, we can prove that in triangle exactly same way we can use SAS congruency and prove this. And we'll find that AQ is equal to CP. So what we have found? We have found that this is equal to this and this is equal to this. And we know that when both pairs of opposite sides are equal, then that quadrilateral is a parallelogram. We have so many other videos in this topic, understanding quadrilateral. I am sure they will provide you much more insight into this topic. So don't forget to watch those videos. And also subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. That will ensure that you get notifications whenever we upload new videos.